Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to style inheritance in a document on Scribus. In the last video we do on how to clone a paragraph style in a document on Scribus. Now in this video we will inherit the style from the other styles. Our goal in this video tutorial is that once this first paragraph is modified, the second paragraph will modify it as well based on the first paragraph's modification. In other words, we are going to inherit the first paragraph style. First, open the Style Manager by pressing the F4 key on your keyboard. Let's change the font size of the first paragraph. Click the Paragraph 1. Go to Character Style tab. Change the font size into 15 points. And click Apply. As you can see, the first paragraph font size, also known as Paragraph 1, has been changed, whereas the second paragraph doesn't do nothing because we have not set the second paragraph to inherit the first paragraph styles. To do that, make a new paragraph. Name your new paragraph into Paragraph 2, or you can name it as you want. Click Apply. And close the Style Manager. Once you make the new paragraph, click the second paragraph. Click the default character style, and click the Paragraph 2. Now press the F4 key on your keyboard to open the Style Manager. Click the Paragraph 2. Click the Properties tab. Click the base on. And click the Paragraph 1. Click the Paragraph 1. Go to the Character Style tab, and change the font size and the font family of the Paragraph 1. Click Apply. You can see the Paragraph 1 has been changed and the Paragraph 2 has been changed as well. Once you change the style of the Paragraph 1, the Paragraph 2 will change its style as well based on the Paragraph 1 style properties. And that's pretty much of it on how to style inheritance in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.